In this video, I will guide you how students can submit their correction of mistakes in the same assignment. This is simple and easy. I'm just going to upload an assignment. I just add an assignment here. In date, I will write only test because this is just for your guidance. In time and date, everybody knows how to select time and date. According to your work or day, you will select date here and time. Then this file will be visible or available. And this is due date. 7. This file will be going to visible on 7 August from 4 o'clock. And it should be due on 8 August till 6 o'clock in the evening. So we are done with the date. Now here is submission settings. I'm just going to click on submission settings, and everybody knows about the first option. We'll mark it as yes. Required students to click the submit button. So we just give them option yes. They can mark. They can click on yes button for submission. And here is the third option, attempts reopened. Fine. Through this option, students can submit their correction of mistakes many times. Fine. Firstly, we have to change this. This is never. The first option is never. The second is manually, and the third option is automatically until pass. So we are going to select just second point. This point will allow the students to submit their corrections in the assignment until they are not corrected. They can submit their page here. And the second is restriction. Everybody knows about the restriction. So usually we are giving 2 days for each assignment to available on the LMS. Here is date and from till until. I just select 7. This file should be available from 7. And it should be visible till 9 August at 6 o'clock. So the due date is 8, but this assignment will be visible till 9. So students can submit students will be able to submit their corrections of mistakes in the assignment. Here is the last option, and this is important too. Firstly, we are not touching this option, we are not doing anything with it, but now we have to select option from here, the show activity as completed when conditions are met. This is third option. The first option do not indicate activity completion. Students can manually mark that. We will not select first two options. We will select this third option, and this is necessary and important. And we are not going to touch these options. We will left them. And here is the option save and display. And we are done. Through this process, when we will allow the students, they can submit their corrections in the same assignment.